Mary. Go, Kian.
The order alphabet. N-O-S-A-S-C-O-M-P. N is for number or even determiner if the noun is singular or plural. O is for observation, your opinion on the noun. S is for the sizes, how big and tall they are. A is for the age, how old or young you are. S is for the shaping or your length, as well as your weight. T is for the color, are you bright or simply dim. O is for the origin, to which where you came from. M is for the material in which you are made of. P is for the purpose, to tell what you are for. This is for you ought to know the order of adjectives. Be good and you'll master everything in the order alphabet. Thank you.
Wow, very good. Ayan, palakpakan din natin.